In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly Advanced Tutorial. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, since that helps you avoid confusion and ensures you're signing up in the right place. Once you're on the home page, look for a button like Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Click that to begin creating your account. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates to the site, but the goal here is simply to get to the registration page. And before we go further, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the quickest way to get started while following along with this tutorial. On the sign up page, enter the required information such as your email address and password. If the platform offers additional sign up methods like continuing with another account provider, you can choose whichever option is most convenient for you. After filling everything in, complete the registration process and wait for the account to be created. If GetFormly asks you to verify your email address, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from the platform. Open that email and click the verification button or follow the instructions provided inside. This step is important because it activates your account and makes sure you can access all features properly. After verifying, return to the GetFormly website. Enter your account credentials and click Login or the equivalent button shown on screen. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Take a moment here to get familiar with the dashboard layout. You'll usually see the main navigation areas along with the sections you'll use to create, view, or manage your forms. If you're new to the platform, this is a good time to slowly look around so you understand where everything is before taking action. Next, begin using GetFormly by going to the area where you can create or manage forms. Start with the most basic action a new user would normally take after signing up, such as opening the form creation area or selecting the option to begin a new form. Keep it simple and focus on understanding the workflow first. That's it for this tutorial. You've seen how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and begin using the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description.